Hi, Algebra Essential students. Welcome to week 2. This week is our test week. We're testing on writing equations of lines. So I'm going to walk you through how to submit your test and some other details. So here we go. Go to your Google Classroom and click on classwork. It's week 2, so we have a new question to stay connected. Start there. View the question. If everyone was healthy and you could visit anywhere in the world for 1 whole month, with anyone you wanted to take with you, where would you visit? So add your response to that. I would want to go to Fiji. Submit. And then go back to your classwork after you've submitted your question for week 2. Let's look at the weekly schedule. Notice there's something new, a place for you to submit your test. Let's look at the weekly schedule. So week 1 is done. That's why it's grayed out. Now we're on to week 2, Unit 6 test and reflection. So to do Tuesday, due by 3 p.m. on Tuesday, take the test by printing it or writing on scrap paper, and then submit pictures of your work to Google Assignment. The reason why we're having you submit on Google Assignment, which is attached to your classroom, is because on Thursday, you have to respond on Google Classroom to the feedback that we give you. So once you submit your tests, we can see them, we'll give you feedback, and then on Thursday you're going to respond to that feedback and complete this survey. So that's what you have to do this week. Take your test, and let me show you where that is. So back in classwork, the new link that we have here, Unit 6 Remote Learning Test, let's view the assignment. So it says, please print this test or write on a separate sheet of paper. Answer each question with the calculator and no other resources. We know you have notes and the internet and other people and all that stuff, but don't use any other resources, please, for this test. Submit pictures using this Add or Create button. And then click the Mark as Done tab. So you're going to click on your test, print it out, or write it on a separate sheet of paper. Oops. View assignment. And then once you take pictures of your test, you have to save it somewhere on your computer. So you can save it in your Google Drive, or if you have it somewhere saved in a Google Drive and you have a PDF link, you can add the link or just the file if you save it on your computer. Okay, so once you add the pictures of your test, then please click the Mark as Done button. That submits it to the teachers so that we can see your pictures. So that's it. Just take your test, submit it, and then respond to feedback. Let us know if you need any help. I hope you're well. We miss you. Take care. Bye.